First of all, I don't know what kind of drink you like, so I got you tea. You like tea? So that was yours.
Well, thank you.
Of course. You know, since here, you like chicken?
Yeah, but what are you going to feed me for?
What? First of all, you always look hungry, so. No, I know you don't cook at home, and sometimes, you know, you treat me really well, and I have to think about people who treat me well. So I got you fries.
Okay, I'm still holding out for.
Well, I know. It's your birthday last time, and you know I never have a chance to like really invite you over because you know it's just.
I know it's been busy, and you
Well,
just you don't know how to stay home.
Here, this one's the non-spicy one.
Thank
So let's
you.
eat. You want to eat now?
Sure.
I have plenty of time.
Yeah. Let's relax.
Let's relax real quick.
Wow. Thank you. Nice and hot.
That line was long, but you're worth it.
That's what I'm
So
saying.
this is the house sauce and ketchup.
Thank you. I love their Chick-fil-A.
Mm. You want a
So what
napkin?
you been doing? Thank you. What you been doing?
I've been working. You need help?
No, I'm good.
I can help you.
No, I'm good. Thanks.
Some good stuff. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
This is a treat.
Glad you like it. You know the thing about me?
What?
I love chicken sandwich. It doesn't matter where I go,
Yeah?
fancy place or not. If I see the menu and say chicken sandwich, high chance I'm gonna get that. Why? Because I know it's never gonna fail me.
Do you ever go to Heirloom?
I love Heirloom.
Do you have their chicken sandwich?
Mmm. Is it good?
Oh.
Mmm.
And you probably like, because they make a spicy one now.
Mmm. I like spicy.
I can't do spicy, but their regular chicken sandwich is great. So I'm sure you would like it. What is?
You guys come here for lunch or
Would you like one?
for your nails done?
You want some?
No, thank you. I'm gonna get the mic in my drink.
Oh,
Thank you. But
See how lucky you are?
what?
They know I never buy anybody lunch. I'm cheap, girl. I'm very cheap. Grace, I've been feeling good, man. I drink protein, muscle milk. I've been working out. Want to see me flex? Or you don't want to see me flex?
Go ahead.
No, girl, that's embarrassing. Why would I flex in front of you? You're not even tipping me. Hey, there's no free flex around here, girl. You want to flex? That's $5 more. Each time you throw a $5 at me, one flex.